Good morning. Today is a new day. And it snowed. Well, it hailed. It hailed more than it snowed. But it looks pretty cool. I mean, I went outside for a little bit, but all I did was go outside to put the windshield wipers up on the car so it wouldn't freeze. Oh, and Meeka was scratching all night, so it kept us up. But it's okay. It'll be okay. Oh, wait, let me turn you around so you can see what it looks like, too. See? See that iciness? Well, okay. I'm just gonna go outside and show you again. Look. It's very icy, you know? Look. It's really... I mean, it's pretty. You see some really nice shapes in there, but still. Bro, that house that we were watching last time, look how quickly it's being built. It's going quick. Okay. Here we go. Some nice snow ASMR. All right, let's get our asses back inside. That little stare. You're so funny. All right, let me do dishes, okay? Okay? Yeah. Good boy. So for breakfast today, I just had a simple salad and a naan bread. I got some milk and grapes. And look who joined me. David. But yeah. I'm basically almost done. All right. And look, we have Duty right over here. And you have Cappuccino. You can eat his foot. What is she doing? She's smelling for something. Oh, she's an ankle biter though. Hi, honey. What's she doing? Boop. 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 Oh, we gotta attack him. Dude's tired. He's a big brother now. To that. Or that's just jinxing her and she becomes the devil again.
I feel like it's so hard to say nice things to her though. She's so terrible.
At least she's not as bad as Sexy.
Just attacking dude's face.
That's my Aunt Angie's old chihuahua. Hey, took his sword.
Do you have to poop? You gotta poop? Oh, not on your thing. Wait. Go poop. Go poop. All right, he just needs to get his footing, guys. Are you gonna go poop now? Oh, good job. See, we potty trained him. He knows where he needs to poop and pee. It just takes him a minute sometimes. Ah, good boy. Good job. And he wipes his little butt. All right, I gotta clean up your thing now. Or are you gonna go to sleep? Are you going to sleep? Oh, nap time. Sleep well. It is now purely slush. Just slush. You can make slushies out of this though. You can. Look at that. That's slushy weather. Step on it one more time, Millie. Look at that. And it's everywhere. Let's make a heart. Let's make a...
Okay, you do one side, I'll do the other.
Okay, ready?
I didn't know we were making it that big.
My love is huge, David. Now your side looks better than mine. Ta-da! I love you! We look like we're versus each other.
What?
Because I'm blue and you're red. Hmm? A little bit. That's what it was in Mario Party. Oh, and when we went to that race car driving, they literally had a red one and a blue lane. Remember? We took the red one. Oh no, we took the blue one, didn't we? Yeah. Guys, we have to go back to that place. We have to go back, David. At least once. Not now. But somewhere down there.
Something cooler. I'd rather race
Like off-roading?
real car.
That would be fun. I bet that would be fun, actually.
Oh, there's places.
Look, guys, David made me a Beyblade. I gotta put it together. Oh, and he's making the launcher. It's being printed separately. Look, it's from the 3D printer, though. Beyblade, Beyblade, Beyblade. Let's fight an epic battle. Face off and spin the metal. No time. Ta-da! I think I made it correctly. Does that look right?
It looks pretty cool.
Look. Okay. It's just like a stand, I think, so.
No, that's cool.
Oh.
Yeah, it's also a stand.
Oh, wait. I flipped it over the wrong way. My bad. Hi, buddy. Hi, baby. See? So it goes like this. Hey, don't eat it. Look, it goes like this, guys. So it had. Yeah.
Did you
Okay.
try spinning it yet?
No, not yet. But it looks.
I'm
It
pretty
looks so
it should
cool.
spin like a fidget spinner. Oh, it's not that smooth yet.
I gotta smooth it out a little bit more.
But that means you gotta keep spinning it.
Oh!
Oh, your toy, Mika. No.
Pick it up quickly.
Yeah, Mika.
Yeah.
Oh, it's here.
It's hidden. Oh, you're such a good boy. You're a good boy. I don't know if other people do this, but like I'm too lazy right now. Good boy. He was trying to grab it.
Oh my goodness.
He's fine. Look how bouncy he is. He's sturdy. It's because he eats well. Make sure he doesn't poop, David. Good boy, Judy. He doesn't want his thingy?
Sure it does.
I made a little fruit bowl. Look, it's a little dog's cut. Little ears and little paws are sticking out like a little belly up. I like it. I think it's cute. I'm so happy. Hello, doggo. Hello, puppy. Look who's awake. Grab the scissors. Oh. Retirement. They set up the sign for Mr. David. It's a cute sign. It says, what does it say? It says happy retirement. Where are my shoes? Oh, there they are. You can't come duty. Not right now. How's life? Let me see it. Got the paper? Oh, it looks so nice. That's actually really nice. Yeah, I know. He doesn't really like playing with you, dude. But at least he won't. At least he doesn't bite you, right? See? So you made a friend. There you go. All right, she's outside. She's getting walked right now. See? Be nice to him, Meeka. Yeah, I know, dude. Not everybody's nice to you, but he's nice, isn't he? Ooh, just don't sit on him. That's the one thing, don't sit on him. Go. What you think? Oh, don't go downstairs. Hi, good boy. It's okay, bud. Trying to break into jail. I'm surprised he likes the snow this much. Oh, he's gonna dig now.
I'll see you later, though.
What, you leaving already? It's after the ceremony. David and I helped set up everything. Look.